Games. In 3, 2, 1, go! Guys, no wrestling. It's a Springer. It's a Springer, dude. Put the guns down. Yeah. Garrett, give me a sit rep.
I got Chris. Me and Jess has got an alliance going on.
Awesome.
Is Jacob out?
Yep.
Jess, did you see him?
Yeah, he's out. Put your gun down. Yeah, all right.
Hey, don't put it right there where someone will step on it. Where's Andrew? Good luck, Andrew. Shove in the back. You got this. In the corner. Good jam.
I love this. Nice, dude. There was one gun hidden right there, the Springer shotgun.
I saw the sword too. I want to find my pistol.
Oh.
Oh, they're up there stalking each other on the rocks.
No, Justice is down there.
Hey, Garrett, be a man and go find him. Or are you a coward? Alright. He's in the hooks then. Go get him, Garrett.
Coming to the courtyard. We've got a scaredy cat in the building.
No, he went high. You know, 2 versus 1 is kind of understandable.
Alright,
I'm going to put my gun down. Do this like I'm mine. Garrett, go get him.
I will.
This is going to be the show right there.
Yeah! He might be up in the rocks over there because... Yes, come to the middle! All right, Hunger Games, DLA 2015. Ow, dude! Do not shoot me! Go to the middle. All right. Yeah, one person starts over there. One person starts over there. Yeah. It has to be in the middle. ACU versus ACU and tan pants and a DCU hat. All right, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. Ow! Who shot me? No, he did not. Garrett did not shoot me. Guys, I am freaking serious.